Okay, so in the musculoskeletal chapter, we discuss about bones, skeletal bones, or all those bones with respect to, again, cranium, face, then backbone, after that thoracic, arms, legs, and the diseases associated with that. Next, arthro, that is joints. We spoke different types of joints and common joint problems. I told one more word, forgot to mention this, ankylosis. What is ankylosis? Surgical fusion of joints is known as ankylosis. Okay, it can stiffen. Now, going further in this chapter, the last one would be is myo, that is muscle. There are three types of muscle that is known as striated muscle, which is also known as the voluntary muscle, involuntary muscle, and cardiac muscle. The diagram shows, scroll down a little bit. Yeah, so we have this striated, meaning the name is given according to the histological examination of a muscle, how the striations are placed. The smooth muscle or the striated, let's talk about the striated muscle first. These are voluntary in the sense they are in your control. Okay, hence the name voluntary muscles are also known as striated muscles. Example, your bicep or any of those muscles are your striated muscles which you have. Number one is striated muscles, also known as rhabdomyoma, RHABDO, rhabdomyoma. Your striated muscles, okay, voluntary muscles. Next one is your involuntary, means which is not in our control. Example, your stomach, internal lining of your esophagus, stomach, all the internal organs is not in your control. That is known as leiomyoma, or visceral muscle, is also known as involuntary or visceral muscle. You can write down as smooth muscle, go up in the diagram, write down as smooth muscle, also known as leiomyoma, L-E-I-O, leiomyoma, leiomyo, don't tell myoma, but again myoma is a disease, leiomyo, rhabdomyo, okay. The third type of the muscle is known as your cardiac muscle. Now, obviously cardiac is involuntary, it has a mixture of both. You can scroll down. It has striations and involuntary inactions. Okay? Striated, but it is involuntary. And this is found in heart, obviously, cardiac muscle. Simple till now? Scroll down. There are many muscles, but only some basics will be told to you, like you have heard about your, what all muscles that you are aware of? Bicep, then tricep, like that you have heard about it, but there are something known as orbicularis oculi, frontalis, temporalis. Masseter is one of the strongest muscle in our body, which is used for chewing. Masseter. Sternocleidomastoid. According to the bone that it joins, the muscle is named sternocleidomastoid. Sternum bone, cleido. Okay, clavicle, sternocleidomastoid. Trapezius, behind, like a trapezius, there is a muscle that is known as trapezius. Usually it tends to fuse, then you know it as Wryneck. Okay, Wryneck we call it as. Anyhow, some of the others is pectoralis major, this is your deltoid. A deltoid muscle will have again anterior, posterior, lateral. The workout also happens in the same way. That is your deltoid muscles. Okay. Trapezius muscle we have. Gluteus maximus is your butts, abducts and rotates the thigh for laterally. Bicep femoris rotates the legs laterally and flexes the knee. Gastrocnemius is the bends the knee, lifts the heel and ground. Achilles tendon is your the long. Now what is a tendon and a ligament difference? Ligament joints.
It's the connecting
Bone to bone.
Bone to bone.
Tendon joints, muscle to bone. Are we good? You got that till now? Okay, scroll down. Some of the actions, total skeletal muscles 600 in the human body. Usually we say 639 muscles is what we usually call it as. It will have, I told you already in the before, that it will have an origin and insertion. Now what is an origin of a muscle? It is attached to a bone which keeps it stationary.
Correct.
insertion which the bone has to move. Like bicep muscle, origin is to the humerus scapula bone, whereas the insertion is to the tendon, that is olecranon. Okay, triceps also will be in the same way, origin and insertion. All right, scroll. So in this, these actions are important. Okay, what is, I told you to revise this actions, that is very simple. Flexion means decreases the angle between two bones. Flexion. Extension is increases the angle between the bone. Straightening up again. Abduction, remember abduction of somebody? Moving away from the body is abduction. Adduction towards the body. Alright? Then rotation is a circular motion. Then flexion is with respect to ankle. Dorsiflexion is bending the ankle towards the upper, towards the knee. That is dorsiflexion. Plantar flexion is opposite, bending it downwards. That is plantar flexion. Easy? Supination and prone. What do you mean by supine?
Lying on back.
Right? Prone. This is supination, hand. The action is known as supination. Your palm facing upward and pronation. Rajkumar will say, "Ika yavattu supination madila." Remember in that Kasturi Nivasa somewhere that he'll never beg. Don't have an action of supination. If you go down, there is a diagram which talks about it. Again, rotation, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, supination, pronation. According to terminology, you should remember this diagram very well, and there will be questions asked in this related only more. Okay? Now comes the last part in this pathology. Dystrophy, muscular disc. Dis means difficult or bad. A group of inherited disease characterized by weakness and degeneration of muscle fiber without involvement of nervous system is known as muscle dystrophy, also known as Duchenne dystrophy. In this, the muscle enlarges, that is pseudo-hypertrophy, as the fat replaces the functional muscles. The functional muscle is replaced by fat cells. Alright? Onset of muscle weakness occurs soon after the birth, and diagnosis can be made by biopsy or electromyography. EMG. EMG is electromyography. Poly means many, myo means muscle, myositis, chronic inflammatory of myopathy. Symmetrical, marked by symmetrical muscle weakness and pain, often accompanied by a rash around the eyes, face and limbs. It is an autoimmune disorder. Again, what is autoimmune disorder? Where the antibody attacks the cell wall. Alright? Rheumatic arthritis. Remember we spoke about this. Some patients recover completely with immunosuppressive therapy. Myasthenia gravis. Amitabh Bachchan have told. In this, what happens is muscle weakness. Asthenia means weak. Muscle loses its strength because of failure of transmission of nerve impulse from the nerve to muscle. See what happens, there is a nervous conduction system from our spinal cord, there will be nerve, from now there will be a, enzymes that will go, and that enzymes will trigger the muscle to contract. That will be missing. Okay, so the eyelids will close down like that, and muscle weakness will be there, all that. That is known as myasthenia gravis. Some symptoms or common examination that you can know. The way you walk is known as gait. Okay, gait, not G-A-T-E, G-A-I-T. Different types of gait disorders can happen. Cramp is sudden spasm of a muscle. Usually relieving is what helps. Cold application helps. Crepitus is the fracture sound that comes out. Wryneck, I told you this, right? Usually Sunil Balan gets affected with Wryneck. Wryneck. Famous personality examples I told. So you will have this Wryneck, but this gets stiffened. Cold pack usually helps first to release that pain. Okay. Non-union is failure of fractures to unite. Delayed union, fractures unite very late. Malunion, it is united but in a different place. Amputation, aka they call it, like a diabetes. So it's advised for an AKA, means above knee amputation. they cut the leg off because there is a gangrene. Gangrene means dead tissue. Okay, in diabetes. You can write there only, gangrene, diabetes, usually this is advised. Different types of implants are used, which is non-biodegradable and then non-corrosive, means you should not infect the body. Interlocking nails, K-wire we call also known as Kirschner wire, the spelling is different, it's called down for fixation, for fracture. Nail also happens the same way. Your favorite abbreviations. Commonly is ACL, anterior cruciate ligament. Okay, ACL damage happens, posterior corollary will have. In between is known as meniscus, on stress it comes. Open reduction internal fixation is ORIF, that's commonly used. Creatine phosphokinase, remember this one is produced by myocardial infarction, means the dying muscle will release an enzyme, I told you in cardiovascular system. That is your CPK enzymes. Carpal tunnel syndrome, CTS. RH factor is usually, RF factor is usually checked for rheumatoid arthritis, RF. SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. I told you the woofing means wolf-like symptoms which will happen. That is systemic erythematosus. Some laboratory investigations are anti-nuclear antibody, ENA, that are found in patient for SLE, ANA test. ESR means erythrocyte sedimentation rate. What happens is, usually in case of any inflammation, like somebody says I have fever, pyrexia, usually we can find out whether they are faking or not. How? Okay, I'll give you a blood investigation. Get your ESR checked and come. If it is elevated, means they have temperature. If it is not elevated, they don't have a temperature. Usually, in inflammation, that is your ESR, that is erythrocyte sedimentation rate. RH factor, rheumatoid factor for rheumatitis, calcium and calcium for any disorders is asked. Density, there is one more, it's called a bone density test is there. CPK enzymes, I told you in case of myocardial infarction, this produces. Serum phosphorus, P. Okay, uric acid in gout. You can write there only, gout. It's written gouty arthritis. Then arthrocentesis is, if there is a fluid, they tend to remove that. Arthrography, arthroplasty. Usually, whenever they do a knee surgery, they'll do pinhole, they'll do a microscope and check. If it is a minor, they tend to do the operation then and there only. They'll not poke it again. Okay. Arthrography and arthroplasty, usually they tend to take together. Okay. Arthroscopy only, through arthroscope, they do it and then finish up arthroplasty. Arthroscopy and arthroplasty is done together. And obviously rehabilitation is necessary post that. Then comes the picture of a radioactive phosphate substance is injected, phosphate radioactive, intravenously. Uptake of the substance in the bone is measured by special scanning devices. How much does it take? Areas that is excessive amount of radioactive substance may contain tumors. So wherever there is a tumor, excess absorption will happen. Okay. Inflammation and stress fractures or other disorder happens. Dual energy are taken off bones in spinal cord column. Absorptiometry is a pelvis and wrist machine. How well the X-rays penetrate the bone. There is a test for bone density. EMG I told you before, electromyography, muscle biopsy for any of the diseases they take it. Alright?
Bones can really test dark like all those spots.
Because there is a knee, there is a problem, that's why. Can you see the knee will
knee, shoulder,
yeah,
pelvis.
it could be because of the inflammation. Wherever there is a problem, it will be swelled more. Not in this picture exactly.
It's not
compared to the left, the left is more compared to the right. Regular, because there can be a problem. Okay, scroll down. I think so that should, you need to go through this vocabulary. Acetabulum means round depression. What is femur ends, what all it have, what all process it has. These are the nomenclatures and study section which you should read. like acromion means what? It is the shoulder bone here. Then acetabulum in the pelvic bone, it is there where the femur and the joint pelvis happens. This is acetabulum, acromion. Scroll. This is the study section. That is where you should go through it. Condyle, disc, epiphysis, facial bones. Fontanelle is this. Foramen is the opening. Malleolus. Olecranon is this. Bone tissue. Just the study sections again. Osteoblast, pubic symphysis, red bone marrow, incancellous bone is found. Ribs, styloid process, tuberosity, and yellow bone is found in long bones. Joints. Tendon, which we have gone through, this is your study section of explanation of each one. Fascia, I forgot, it's a fibrous membrane that surrounds the muscle, is known as fascia. Okay, I forgot to mention that. Okay, down. Pronation, relations, right, supination, visceral muscle, and your combining forms. In that, I think so. Most of it is explained. Forces. Laminectomy in case of spinal cord sciatica is used. Lordosis hold on. Anterior curvature of the spinal column of above anterior curvature or a sway back condition is known as hyperlordiosis. Leaning backward in a lordly fashion means like this, like a lord. This is known as lordiosis. Kyphosis is front, lordiosis. Okay. Lumbodynia, pain in the lumbago, also known as lumbago, back pain. Lumbago, commonly used terminology for back pain, lumbago. Scoliosis is sideways, I told you, Usain Bolt. I'm trying to see any other words which I have missed out. Fixing is there, epiphysis, osteotome, instrument to cut the bone is known as that. Craniotomy. Craniotomy is done. Metacarpals, olecranons, pelvic pheromones. Done. This combining forms is your responsibility. Ensure that is being taken care of. Ankylosis means fusion. Bursitis, chondroplasia. In the first chapter, chondroplasia, we have read that. Arthrodesis, to bind together. Fibromyalgia is one of the chronic pain, stiffness in the muscle happens. Most of the fibrous tissues, back pain, shoulder pain, everything happens. Unfortunately, somebody whom I know, he suffers from fibromyalgia. It is an autoimmune disorder. Leiomyoma. Leiomyoma is benign tumor of smooth muscle. Leiomyosarcoma is malignant tumor of smooth muscle. Alright? So this asthenia I told you is lack of strength, myasthenia. Strophy, Ave, Dorsey, prefix, yeah. Alright. So this completes the musculoskeletal system, which we covered about the bones, the joints, and then the muscle. Okay, it is like a math, this chapter especially. Doing your prefixes, everything should help you to clear to understand. Though I have not covered every single muscle, again, the concept you should have understood, right? The names will remain same. There are a lot of names. Basics is what is covered. 206 bones is not, you have not learned. Some basics, I don't know, maybe around 20, 30 maximum names is what you're going to find out. Alright?